from Slovenia again. Another day, another experiment. As I promised, I will use Floetrol as my transparent base today. I mix it with water to the right consistency, and this will be my consistency for today. Kind of on the thick side, it leaves a mound and disappears in a few seconds. And I will play again with primary colors because I like that you get all kind of different shades. And I will do invisible sandwich pour. Invisible because this Floetrol / transparent base is white, but it dries clear, hopefully. I used my pouring medium. I know that it dries clear. We will see. I know that Floetrol is a kind of doesn't have a color in it, so should dry clear too. So I will add a little bit of this on the bottom. And what I want on top, I will add a little bit of yellow and a little bit of magenta, not a lot. And then I will cover this with transparent base again, just to add a little more dimension to that. Some blue. So it's just basically primary cyan, primary magenta, and primary yellow. And some magenta again. And when this pour is done, those colors look, you know, magenta looks pink, but because it dries clear, this transparent base, it disappears and you got just pure colors, you know, pure blue and all the others. So I'm separating everything with transparent base, because it gives a little more 3D look to it. So when I mix, when I add purple, blue and magenta, I'm expecting some purple. So that's why I'm adding them this way. But I don't do all three in one layer, just two of them, to get just one secondary color. This should be green, some blue and some yellow and some green. This part I will just pour this out. Just hope that I have enough of this mixture. I will just mix a little more. So I will just add some Floetrol in the cup. Just added Floetrol and water just to have it for my flow extender. You can always add some gloss medium in it or gloss varnish, everything that it's clear when it's dry, for your transparent base. I don't know how it is with the glue, because glue kind of like to crack, so I don't know if only the glue would be a nice idea. And because I did add, I will add just a little more layer, one more layer of magenta and yellow and transparent base again on top. Floetrol. I kind of saw a lot of comments that you don't understand that transparent base. Transparent base is just, you know, we use these pouring mediums just to extend our color. So if we use just Floetrol or other pouring medium, is just a flow extender without a color, or how can I say? And you can always use it on top of some of your pours, add a little something on top, like I did that lightening kind of stuff in my video last week. I will definitely explore that some more, but today is just an experiment how if you can use just Floetrol with that. Okie doke. So you can already see the layers under the layers, can you? And I was thinking to maybe do a marble roll on it. I love those cells. Are popping through. Let's do some marble, because I like marble rolling some things, you know. I just want kind of marble roll this part here. Whoop, why my marble doesn't roll as I hoped. Probably too much paint for now, so I will just tilt this first and then roll some marble. And I was thinking to sprinkle some silicone oil on it, because I want to see some cells. Yeah, let's do this for now. So we covered the canvas. I will just catch the corners, touch the corners. Okay. So now I will just grab silicone oil and put it a little bit on the brush and then sprinkle it on top, and maybe then we will do some marble rolls. It's just an experiment. Just need clean gloves because don't want to sprinkle other colors on it. Okay, so I will just add a drop of silicone or two onto this brush. Did something happen? Not a lot. We are getting some cells. Don't forget, this is what is white now, it will not be white afterwards. It's transparent, so I kind of don't know if I want to do a marble now. Because I want to see how this here where the white is what will pop through, or how can I say, but just don't like this little cell here. But maybe it will not be so visible because after it will dry it will not be there will not be white, so it should be okay. Just want to stretch this out a little bit, and you see now it's gone and I'm happy. Yeah, it's like behind the curtains or something with this technique, because these layers that will be even more visible when it will be dry will be okay. And if I will think afterwards that I still need something on top, I can always use again my Floetrol and then, you know, do maybe some swiping or some things that I did on that galactic pour that was, you know, just adding some ribbons of white and sprinkle silicone on top just to add some lightening. Maybe we will do that when this will be dry, but for now I will take you down for a close-up. So here she is wet. So here where you see this white spot, there will not be a white spot. We will see what will show through. I love the cells, and here is the white, that it will not be white anymore after. So we will see how it will look like. So stay tuned for the dried results, or maybe we will do another step with a transparent base. I will see how it will dry. So here is the dried result. Can you use Floetrol as your transparent base? Definitely can. This painting reminds me of the kind of colorful underwater coral kind of vibe. And you see why the transparency base between, because you can get those, how can I say, more depth to the painting, because you get this, you know, here and here and here that you can almost see through. It's kind of 3D looking for my taste. I got some pretty cool cells, and this blue lacing on top here is just gorgeous, and here the one on the red. So yeah, turned out really cool. Maybe too busy for somebody, but I like it because the cells are not, you know, that cells that just that are so obvious. They are kind of nicely blended in the background. See that? You definitely can't get this result without using the transparent base. And yeah, you can use just Floetrol and water. I love it. So thanks for being here. I did another experiment with transparent base / Floetrol that I will be publish on Friday. So come back and thanks for being here. Bye.